friends, what's up? Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Today I will tell you about Indian and international system of numbering. I will tell you about million, billion, trillion as well as lakhs, crores, arabs and kharabs. I will also tell you that how can you read and write a number in both the numbering systems. So let's get started. So friends, for example, I take here any number 397. Alright. So this is 397. We read and write these 3 digits number same in both the numbering systems. Then for example, let's take one more number. So this is 4352. We read and write this 4-digit number same in both the numbering system. Then there is 53,562. So we can read and write this number same. This is a 5-digit number. We write this same in both the numbering system. But what if I take a big number over here? Alright, so this is a big number. So how can we read and write this number? So let's understand. You can see over here, I have made a place value chart for both of these systems, the numbering systems. So you see over here is the Indian system and in down is the international system. So first let's see the Indian system. So friends, in the Indian system there are periods, alright, and there are several types of periods, and we start from the right because from the right is the smallest period, that is ones. It has 3 places in it. Remember, in the Indian system a period consists of 2 places or 3 places. Only one period, that is ones, consists of 3 places in it, leaving that other periods have 2 places in them. So see over here, it is ones. It consists of ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Then we enter the thousands. So you see in the thousands period there is thousands and 10,000. Then we come to the lakhs period. In lakhs period there is lakh and 10 lakh. Then this period even ends and crore period starts. So here it is crores and 10 crores. Then it is Arab, that has Arab and 10 Arab. Then it's Kharab, that has Kharab and 10 Kharab. Now same is here in the international system also. Let's see the periods of the international system. So in international system every period has 3 places in it. Alright, so see, this is ones period. Till 10,000 it is same in that, as you know, so the periods but still are they different. So in ones period there is ones place, tens place and hundreds place. Then it is thousands period, that has 1,000, 10,000, 100,000. Alright. Then we come to million, that has million, 10 million, 100 million. Then million periods and it's billion, that has billion, 10 billion and 100 billion. The last period is trillion, that has a trillion, 10 trillion and 100 trillion. Okay. So friends, now as I told you in the previous, I wrote a number here. That number you see I have written in this chart. So first let's see in the Indian system. So we are going to see that how can we read and write this number in the Indian system. So first there is one word, separators, that are commas. They are necessary to be there in your number. So where to place your comma? See, whenever an period ends, you need to place a comma after that. So you see, once period is ending here, so you need to put a comma over here like this, right? So this is a comma. Then move to the second period. It is 1000, so it is ending here, so another comma. Then it is lakh, which is ending over here, so it is one more comma here. Then 6, then number ends, so no need to put any comma then. So now we have made the commas, and now we have to just read this number. So you see 6 is here, so we start reading the number from the left side. Alright, so you see 6 is here, it is on crores place, that is 6 crores. We read 6 and the place, that is crores. So 6 crores, then 8 is on 10 lakh, so we read it as 80. Alright, not 8, 80. 80, then 2 is on lakh, that is 2. So 82 lakh. Then you see 9 is on 10,000, so that is 90. And 5 is there, so that is 95,000. Then everyone can read this. This is 628. Let's read it once again. 6 crores 82 lakhs 95,628. So we have put the commas and now we have read the number. Now let's do the same but in the international system. So same process we have to do over here. First, don't forget to put the commas. So put the commas after the periods end. So 1 period is ending here, so a comma. Then 1000 period is ending here, so another comma. Then the number ends, so no need to put any comma. So friends, you see over here, now we have got the commas. Now let's read this number. So see, 6 is on 10 million. So we will speak it as 60, not 6 because we are on 10. So 10's place is there, so 60. Then 8 is on millions place, that is 68. Then this ends, so 68 million. The next period, that is 2, which is on 100,000. So we will speak it as 200. Alright, so 200. Then 9 is on 10,000, that is 290. Then 5 is here, so 295,000 because it's on thousands period. Then 628. Let's read it once again. 68,295,628. Now let's take some more examples. So friends, you can see I have written another number over here. That is, now we are going to read and write the commas in between. So see, as I told you, first write the commas. So start from the right and put commas whenever an period ends. So let's quickly do this. Here once period is ending, so then 1000 period is ending here, so a comma here. Then lakhs period is ending here, so another comma, and our number is ending, so no need to put one more comma. So friends, now we've got the commas in the Indian system. Now let's do the same in the international system. So let's begin from the right. 1 period is ending here, so another comma. 1000 period is ending here, so one comma, and then millions period is ending but a digit is not there. That means we don't have to put any comma over here. Now let's read this number in the Indian system. So begin from the left side. So it is 4, which is on 10 crores. So that is 40. 40, then it is 3, that is on crores. So 43 crores. 43 crores. Then the period ends, a comma. Then 2 is on 10 lakhs. So that means 43 crores. 24 is on lakhs plus, so 24 lakh. Period ends. Then 70 is on 10,000. So 70. Then it is 9 on thousands. So 79,000. Then a comma because the period ends. Then it is 876. Let's read once again. 43 crores 24 lakh 79,876. Now let's read the number in the international system. So begin from the left side. So you see 4 is on 100 million, that is 400. Then 3 is on 10 million, so 432 because 2 is on million place, so 432 million. Then it is 400,000, so 470 because it is on 10,000 place, then 9, that is 479,000. Then obviously 876. Let's read it once again. So 432 millions 479,876. So let's take one more number now. So friends, you can see I have taken another number over here. So let's do the same with this number. Even first put the comma. So begin from the right side at the from the period where it is ending, put one comma. So once period is ending here, so another comma. Then 1000 period is ending over here, so another comma. Then lakhs period is ending here, so another comma. Then crores period is ending here, so another comma, and our number is end. So same let's do with this international one. So put commas here. This period is ending here, once period is ending here, so another comma. Then thousands period is ending here, so a comma. Then millions period is ending here, so a comma. Then it's over, the number is over. So now let's read these numbers. First, let's read in the Indian system. So this is 6 Arab, then 40 because it's on 10 crores, so 48 crores because it is there, so 48 crores 76 lakh 54,327. Let's read once again. 6 Arab, 48 crores 76 lakh 54,327. Now let's read the same number in the international system. So begin from the left side. So here it is 6, that is on billions place. So that is 6 billion 487 million. Then 654,327. Let's read it once again. 6 billion 487 million 654,327. Alright. Now let's take a number. So friends, you can see here I have written one more example. So let's put the separators first in these numbers. So as you know how to put the separators, let me quickly put them over here also. And here. So friends, now I have put the separators that are commas. Now see, let's read these numbers in the Indian system and the international system. International system first let's read. So in international system it will be 1 million, alright. And then in the Indian system, this 1 million will be taken up as 10 lakhs, alright. So you can say like in the international system, we say 1 million, and that too we say in the Indian system as 10 lakhs, alright. And there are 6 zeros in 1 million or 10 lakh, alright. So now let's take one more number. So friends, now I have taken one more number over here. That is like we have to put the separators first. So let's put the separators first in the international system. So you see, in ones place, let's put the separators over here. Then thousands period is ending, so another separator. Then millions period is ending, so another separator. And same we do here. Ones period is ending, a comma. Then thousands period is ending, a comma. Lakhs period is ending, and comma. And then crores period, another comma. So friends, let's read these number in the international system first. So you see, 1 is on billion, so that is 1 billion, and this 0 do not make any sense. So 1 billion has 9 zeros in it, and you can also say 1 billion as 1 Arab in the Indian system, and both the numbers 1 Arab and 1 billion have 9 zeros in them. Now let's take one more number. Alright, so alright friends, so you see, now I have taken one big number over here, that is 1 trillion, because 1 is here on trillions place. TR is for trillion, so 1 trillion. Alright, so in the international system, first we say we put the separators here, and then you see over here, this is 1 trillion. Alright, and the same, first let's put the separators now in the Indian system even. Alright, so you see here, we have put the separators in the Indian system. So here even also the 1 trillion in the Indian system is known as 10 kharabs. Alright, and in 1 trillion or 10 kharabs there are 12 zeros. Alright, so till now we learnt that what are the two types of numbering system, Indian and the international system of numeration. In that we learnt about different types of periods that have different places, and we learnt that how can we read and write the number in the Indian and the international system of numeration. So now let's check your progress. So there are two questions for you that you can give their answers in the comment box. Let me read these questions. Question 1. 10 million can be written in Indian system as A. 1 crore, B. 1 lakh, C. 1 Arab. You have to answer this question in the comment box. Question 2. Number 100000 is written in words as 100,000, 100 millions or 1 million. You have to give the answer of both of these questions in the comment box, and whoever gives the answers first gets a shout out. So thanks for watching this video. Hope you liked. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also give the answers for this quiz in the comment box, and the first one gets a shout out. Till then, take care and bye bye.